Dirty and clean don't have no way. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. That's Girl Plummy, and I'm back with another video, y'all. But this video is gonna be about health care. I'm gonna be talking about being a CNA in home health setting. And yes, I'm gonna definitely be talking about the cons of being a CNA in a home health setting. So, I'm talking about this because this is burning. I did it today. It's burning bad. Anyways, I come across a lot of people who ask me about my experience in home health settings being a CNA. So, let me tell you, my first, drum roll please, my first con is the patient home. Yes, guys, you have some patient home that is clean. And let me tell you something. You have some patient home that is really, really messy. Okay? It is really, really messy. No good. All right? Now, I want to give you like some experience because an example. Don't get me wrong now when it comes to patient home and mess. You have mess that is really messy. You can't stay. But you have minor mess where you can like, you know what, let me go in and take care of this. All right? Especially for me, for example, if I come across a patient, say, this patient named Tom. Tom live way at Chinatown, very far from you. But Tom house is clean. Tom is given 6 hours. But you come across another patient. This patient name is Harry. Just, But Harry's house is a little messy, but Harry requires 10 hours or sometimes 12 hours. I personally, I'm going to take Harry because even though Tom's home is cleaner, his hours is just 6, okay? And Harry, his hours is 10. Okay, so compare 10, 6. Listen, I have time when I get pay. I will go in my pay and I will go to the Dollar Tree, y'all. Even though it's $1.25, I think. I'll go to the Dollar Tree and I'll buy a couple things that I know that I like to use when it comes to cleaning the house. And I'll definitely give Harry house a nice clean to be comfortable. I'm not going to sit in the mess. No. I treat people home as how I treat my home. Okay? So I will clean it up. Put it together so that I can be comfortable too. Okay? Because I want to be comfortable. I am not going to sit in the mess. I'm going to look on the mess and the mess will look on me. No. Me and I look on it and you will look on me. Me and I stand in one place. Okay? Dirty and clean don't have no way together. Okay? No. So I'll clean that. So yes, guys, sometimes patient home can definitely be a mess. Well, another thing is patient pets. Honey, if you're not a pet lover, then you need to rethink about this. Sometimes patients have pets in their home. Pets be jumping upon you, barking at you, and all of that. And you have patients who expect you to be cleaned up after their pets. No, honey. You need to get somebody else for that job. I'm here to take care of you. To care for you. Because the last I checked, your name was on my list to take care of you. Not you and your pets. So yes, patient pets can definitely be a con for me. I don't know about y'all. Another thing is hours. Now, Like I said, being this in a in a home health setting as a CNA, hours can vary sometimes. Some patient requires 4 hours. I see a patient requiring like 2 hours at night to just go and give them little pills. Yes, honey, I've seen it a lot. I'm in this for like almost 3 or 4 years. So yes, the hours can vary. You have people who work with one patient 4 hours in the morning, and they have another patient where they have to go back to another patient and do like, couple hours right there in between and stuff like that. So yeah, hours is definitely a thing. Don't get me wrong now. I work with patient. My patient right now, I work 7 to 4. Okay. And I work with patients who definitely give 12 hours sometimes. They be good, honey. Okay. Also, another thing to take into consideration is agencies. Now, listen, you have some agencies that will definitely pay you your rightful money, pay you overtime or sometimes a holiday fee or whatever. But you have some agencies that do not want to pay you overtime. If you work over your time today, tomorrow they telling you, oh, you have to get off early. And you also have agencies who do not do benefits. There are no benefits. So if benefits is a thing that you definitely want when it comes to jobs, then I think hospital or maybe in the homes would be better for you, not in a personal home, or you know what I'm saying? Or maybe if you go through like a bigger agency or through a hospital or whatever. So that's a thing that you can definitely take into consideration. Another con for me is sometimes the patient wait is too much. And you being the only person there, you know, if you don't like weight, then maybe that's something. But if you learn your techniques, how to roll a patient properly, bend with your legs and lift with your legs and stuff like that, then I don't know, but it can definitely be a con for some people. Okay. Another thing is patient family members. Yes, you have some family members who just get up all the time. They pile up the sink with dishes. They be messing up the house and think that you are there to do an aid or maid job. Sorry. No, honey. I am not here to do a maid job. Okay. I'm here to work with this patient. The care of the patient. All right. Taking care of their daily needs, their daily necessities, help them out with that. So I'm not here for family. But like I said, there are times when I'll definitely go ahead and I clean up a little stuff because I don't know, that's just me. I will definitely go ahead and clean up a little thing here and there, okay? Don't get me wrong, especially if I'm working with a patient who is living on their own. Because, yes, I work with a lot of patients who live on their own, and I have to, help out a little thing here and there. Let them feel comfortable in their own home. Yes. Another thing is, if you drive, it consists of a lot of driving. Yeah, honey. Also, if you take the bus, like your girl Plummy here, that's something you need to take into consideration. Try to get patient that's close to your area, close to your region, where you don't have to take 3 buses or you don't have to take a bus and a train, some stuff like that. Take patient like I said, right now I'm working, it's just 1 bus, 2 stop away, and I'm there. Boom. All right. Another thing is, drumroll please, not, like I said, not enough experience. Yes, honey. If you are looking for a lot of experience or training, no, I don't think home health would be the better option for you, because that's a definite con. You have to go like into the hospital. try aiming for the hospital, because in a hospital, a lot of times people get training to be to do like phlebotomy job, draw blood, EKG, all of them stuff. You know what I'm saying? They get a certificate. Sometimes they even train you to do wounds. Just saying. Yeah, like I said, a lot of experience is right there in the hospital, but you don't have enough experience in the home health setting. But don't get me wrong, I come across nurses where, listen, take a peek out of my book. I love to pay attention. All right. I'll definitely pay close attention to whatever a nurse is doing. And you have sometimes nurses will be like, hey, this is how I do this is how I do that. Because nurses do know that sometimes it get hard on them too, you know. And they get a bunch of patients who requires more a major task than the one that you work with. And then you being there, you have to definitely go in and say, you know what, the nurse not coming right now, then I have to do this for my patient. I have to administer her drugs. I have to give her little sticks. CNAs do a lot too. But like I said, this is all about cons, guys. And I'm definitely telling you all about the cons. This is my personal experience. Everybody have a different kind or type of experience being a CNA in home health setting. Now that I talk about all the cons of being a CNA in a home health setting, I'm going to do another video where I'm going to talk about the pros. Yes, honey, the pros of being a CNA in home health setting. Okay? Now, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, okay? And give that thumbs up, guys. Turn on that bell. And if you're coming back, welcome, welcome. And thank you so much for watching. Bye. See you in the next one. And don't forget, okay? Stick around. I'm definitely going to be talking about them pros.